Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start data privacy with TrustArc, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start your journey with data privacy using TrustArc, begin by visiting the TrustArc website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your newly created TrustArc account. Navigate to the dashboard, where you will find various tools and resources. Familiarize yourself with the interface and key features. Select the Data Inventory option to begin cataloging your organization's data. Conduct a comprehensive assessment of the data you collect and store. Document the types of data, its sources, and its uses throughout your organization. Next, proceed to the Risk Assessment tool. Evaluate potential risks associated with your data collection practices. Identify gaps in compliance with current data privacy regulations. Utilize the Compliance Management feature to align your practices with legal requirements. Review the list of applicable regulations based on your industry and location. Implement necessary changes to your data processing activities as per regulation guidelines. Next, set up continuous monitoring through TrustArc's automated solutions. This will help you manage data privacy more efficiently over time. Explore the Policy Management section to create and maintain your privacy policies. Draft a clear privacy policy that outlines data collection practices and user rights. Ensure your policy complies with all relevant regulations and reflects your organizational practices. Once your policy is ready, publish it on your company's website. Continue by engaging in training and awareness programs available through TrustArc. Educating your team about data privacy is crucial for success. Finally, regularly review and update your data privacy practices using TrustArc's tools. Stay informed about new regulations and adapt your strategies as necessary. By following these steps, you'll establish a strong foundation for data privacy within your organization using TrustArc. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.